So we're just going for a little walk, and Matt and Jim have brought both their armour cars out. There's Jim's Typhon. We've got a Volkswagen coming, not sure what kind of a Volkswagen, probably the Tiguan or the Touareg. Yeah, that's probably a Touareg. There's the Typhon, and there's the Vortex, which, now the last time that appeared on the channel it wasn't even working, but Matt's got it working now. Taking it up, don't know how he managed that, but brought my plasma edge this week. Now I haven't actually brought the Canon M50 with me that I would normally film videos on, because it's spitting a little bit and I don't want the water and moisture to kind of have any effect on how it operates, if it ever does. But anyway, we'll do a little bit when we get up there.
Don't be. Yeah, so the cheapies from Amazon, so they don't last as long. This one's the...
How many milliamp hours are they?
So it's 5,500 on the cheapy Amazon ones. But they're not, they don't last as long as the expensive ones, which is what you would imagine. So this is the same, just a more expensive version. So it's the same same watt hours, same milliamp hours, but it's a more expensive one. So it'll be interesting to see how long this one lasts.
Hey. Wait, which one are you driving?
George's driving mine.
Ah.
What's this? This looks a bit open. Did we get in last time? Oh, bumpy. Oh yeah, that's what she's made for, the old girl. Tearing it up. Your car is now just mud. Oh,
I got it.
That's a bit gay. Three, two, one, go! Oh, he's done it! He's done Well done, hello, you're right.
Oh, Please, please tell me it still works. This has to...
It's still on.
No, I think it's right.
What just happened?
It literally went in the entire like underwater.
I mean, it is waterproof, isn't it?
It's supposed to be.
Jim, get it?
Yeah. And Jim didn't get it.
Yes. We've all got our jobs and we just, you know,
We'll soon find out. Well, I saw it going in the bag, but he's going to stop that in a minute. What a wally.
Is it going in?
Hold it down.
It's so steep once it goes over that.
Hey.
The momentum's too much for it.
Yeah. That's alright. It'll dry out.
She lives! She lives!
I can't believe that's fully submerged.
It's fully submerged. Did you get it on camera?
Might have done. I'll have to double check it.
You could have drove it out.
No, I tried. It was just going further and further
Just go deeper and deeper.
underwater. Oh, mate, you're an absolute hero for that. Thanks, mate. Look at that.
Okay. I stopped recording and he's done it again. It's like the...
It died!
It can't have done.
It died as I was driving, so I couldn't stop it. It died as I was driving. Yeah, I drive in, it went to stop, and then it must have cut out. Oh god.
It's not funny, Vic, stop laughing.
I was really hoping that was good for me.
Yeah, that would have been. Especially with Harry videoing.
Oh, I would have died.
Wait.
It works.
Don't do it again.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Surely
Just take
not.
it steady.
How's the battery even survived that?
I don't know. Well,
Twice.
I suppose
Twice.
it's sealed though, isn't it? Because it's covered. It's connected.
Yeah, well, I didn't realise it's connected to the water.
I know.
It was only low voltage, isn't it? So
Yeah, you thought as soon as it shorted, that's
Matt,
it.
there's a dike there, just so you know.
We have two of them.
So let's just see.
They're over there.
I don't think I should have said.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I mean... So I can adjust the... Actually, that's better. That's... Hang on. The phone case is actually... Hang on. Get rid of... Getting a bit too dark and yeah, I'm gonna cut it there.
the following day.
So it's been the day after the thing happened, and Matt, what was the damage?
So there's no damage really. It all worked. We've just taken the motor out and the gears and stuff in here to the motor out, cleaned that out, put some grease in it, checked the bolts, put some WD-40 in there, just greased it up, good to go. Running.
Brilliant. There's that, and there's Gibbs Typhon, who he's just putting down with what I thought was the carpet tape, but it was the thinner version.
yeah, it should work there.
Anyway, yeah, hopefully it should work, and let's just wait until what shenanigans we get up to maybe later on in the week.